We're in northern Wisconsin at the main yard of the Line 5 Relocation Project. The steam is picking up, the word's getting out, it's actually happening, and there's a lot more excitement. Today, we got the yard continuing to be developed. The clearing crews are getting the trees off the right-of-way. They're setting mats for the access road. The mats are temporary. They are just a means to get traffic through the right-of-way and to protect the environment. Once we have environmental controls in place, then the dirt work starts happening. Pipe will start hitting the right-of-way and all the mainline crews that will be coming in here in the next few weeks. As of today, we have 200 people on site, and the ramp up is going to be pretty substantial. By this time next month, we should have close to 400. Safety is always a priority. We're all on the same page and working in the same direction safely. As we get ramped up, we will be seeing a lot more traffic, trucks entering, flaggers on roads. Be mindful of all the signage and the workers on the side of the road. We're trying to keep everybody safe. That's the goal. I am very proud to be on this project. It's been such a long time in the making. All the contractors and people involved with it that have been thinking about this kicking off, it's now actually happening. People are getting excited to see the influx and see the benefit that they're going to see in the community.